Hey, it's the American Samurai back again with a quick unboxing for you guys. I just picked this up. This is two things. This is the first thing I've ever gotten from Limited Run Games, and this is the most I've ever paid for a game. This is a re-release of it's Limited Run number 273, Star Wars Bounty Hunter, Classic Edition PS4. I paid about $99 for this. I didn't know this game existed. I was told by Star Wars Timeline right here on YouTube. Check him out. And I'm going to go ahead and unbox this for you guys and show you what I got. So, well, $99. I got this from Amazon. So, oh, and this is my unboxing knife. I think it's a rule that every YouTuber is supposed to have their name for their unboxing knife. So, this is Lamont Cranston. Lamont for short. All you Pulp Fiction, all you fans of the Shadow will know where I got that from. Yes, for future reference in videos, if you see this knife, this is Lamont Cranston, Lamont. Here he is. We got the Star Wars Bounty Hunter in the figure packaging, so it looks like a retro action figure here, which I think is kind of cool. It opens up. It's easier to take out. It's cool. So yeah, here we have the game. Because the way it's designed, you can just kind of slip back in there. That's pretty cool. So that was the first pickup I've ever gotten from Limited Run Games. And I've said probably the most expensive game I've ever bought to date. This was about $99. I think it's going for about $102 now on Amazon. So yeah. Look forward to checking this out, and hopefully you'll see a game time either me or Jeremy playing this sometime in the near future. So next time, this is the American Samurai with Jango Fett and Lamont Cranston saying, until we meet again, may the Force be with you.